Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Spotify app on your Mac. If you want to listen to your playlists outside the browser, this is the way to go. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Alright, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or whichever browser you prefer. Now go to the Spotify website by typing spotify.com. Once you're on the site, you can log in and listen from the web, but what we want is the desktop app. So click the download button in the top right corner. Then, on the next screen, click the download button in the center of the page. The website will automatically detect that you're using a Mac and begin downloading the correct version. When prompted, click Allow to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, it may appear directly on your desktop. If not, open Finder, go to the Downloads folder, and you'll see the Install Spotify file there. Double-click the file and then click Open to begin the installation. Your Mac might ask you to enter your password or approve the install. Go ahead and confirm. After a few seconds, the Spotify app will install and launch automatically. If you've used it before, it might log in automatically. Otherwise, just click your profile icon in the top right to log into your account. If you want to keep Spotify in your dock, right-click the icon, go to Options, and select Keep in Dock. That way, it's always just one click away. And that's it. Spotify is now installed and ready to go on your Mac. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.